Oh God.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shaylyn, and I'm here with
Kayla Cake. And the Esperanza Maria.
Yes. Okay, so me and my girls, we're super excited. We're gonna get into this challenge today. It's the can't hear, can't see, can't speak challenge. And we're gonna be baking some cupcakes. Damn, my head too big.
You turn these on.
Girl, I can't see.
Okay, so we gotta set the oven 350. Coat the bottom of the pan with no stick. That's supposed to say non-stick. Not that you had a. Did you set the oven?
This is so weird because I'm like, girl, why aren't you answering her? Like, hello. Is the oven set?
Yes.
Okay. What do we mix?
Oh, we need to open it?
Yeah. I cannot wait to see what you're doing.
Water, oil, and eggs in a bowl with mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes.
Girl, we don't
So
have
who's
a
gonna be
mixer.
mixing the mixer? Because we don't got water, oil, and eggs. But I think we should.
She's talking
Open
at like
it.
a 35 volume. Her volume is like.
Whose voice is this? Chief Keef. What? We washed our hands, guys. Kayla has the oil, and she's about to measure it out and put it in the thing. Let's get out the clumps first before we put it in there.
Where's the spoon?
What's your thing? Kayla, can you put it in because I can't hear what she said. Mix it up and try to get all the clumps out. There we go. Wait, it's going everywhere.
Oh shit. It don't smell right. Ain't it supposed to smell sweet? Girl, what the heck?
So we're gonna put some oil, water, and oil. I think we should do water first. Of water. Okay.
Where's the bowl?
Tip it over. It's right there. Yep, perfect. I'll hold the bowl. Yep, and then just mix it up. I finessed it.
It don't smell like this is gonna be good.
Now we're pouring in the oil. Kayla's trying to hand it to Shaylyn. Okay, now let me take the mixer and mix while you pour in the oil. Good job. Great job. Yep, keep pouring. It's not all out yet.
Okay.
Yep, keep going.
Bro.
Just like magic. Just like magic.
Is that it?
Middle finger to my thumb and then I snap it.
This is her song.
All right. Now set it down to your right. Yep, perfect.
I thought I brought the 4 eggs.
Eggs are right here.
Oh, okay. I'll just do one because I'm not trying to get eaten shells. I'm nervous.
Okay.
I don't even crack eggs when I can see.
Let me take an egg. And then you take an egg.
Kayla just gonna have to scoop the shells out.
All right, go ahead. Yep. Great job.
Did it crack?
I have no idea what you're saying.
That didn't sound like a good one.
Do the last one.
The last what? Mix? Oh, egg.
There we go.
Lord.
Side of the bowl. Yep. Great job. Yay!
Are there shells?
No shells.
Okay, cool. I ain't trying to be crunching on nothing.
Am I talking loud?
Yes.
Oh. Can I get a sing-songy?
I don't like that type of music. That's why I said you're not gonna like my music. We need an electric mixer. It's a lot of work. Kayla asked Erin what she's doing this weekend.
What happened? I missed it. What's the date? Me?
Come on, Sheree.
Date tomorrow? The 9th and 10th. What are we doing this weekend?
It's like
Oh, we are packing up our storage and garage, and then have to go to a concert tomorrow because Ashley loves Bryson Tiller.
Ooh, that's gonna be a good concert.
Say it again.
That's gonna be a good concert.
Oh, yes, but I don't know any of his recent stuff.
Damn, you are good at reading lips.
Is it cheating if I read your lips?
I don't feel like it because you're using your other senses.
Okay, now hold up the bowl so they can see. Woohoo!
My hands are sticky. I didn't even touch anything. Girl, you showing my clips in the back.
We've got some neutral colored cupcake liners.
Okay. Am I near your spot? Oh, my bad. Okay. Okay, what's next? Oh, okay. But you don't just pour directly.
There's a pour part to it.
Oh, to the
right there.
Girl, that's
it's a little
dangerous.
spout. I didn't hear what she said, so I don't know.
Dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes.
Oh. Danger. Okay, so here. I can't see. Go.
How can you not
okay,
see?
you can tilt.
What?
Okay, stop.
Why are you tapping me?
Wait. Okay, now time to go to the next one.
Okay. It's
Okay,
getting on my hand. Can you eat this? Is it
Okay,
edible?
hold on. All right, I'm gonna do the next two.
Ugh.
Shaylin is doing very good at this for being blind.
Girl.
See,
Now you done made me mess up.
I spoke too soon. Okay, go to the next one.
To the
Okay.
left or the right? Left or the right?
Ooh, I like this song. Oh God.
Y'all not giving direction.
Okay, now go to the next one.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, go to the next one. So there's a little bit of a mess.
I can't afford to make a mess in here.
You talk, question mark.
Can you talk? Is that what she asked me?
What question am I asking her? Say that you love her.
Oh, I love you too. Is that really what she said? Oh, okay. Me. Oh, you want to vlog for me. You want to vlog for me. I don't even have my vlogging camera. Is that what you were trying to say? Yes. Oh, dang. That would have been good. I didn't bring my vlog camera. That would have been too much stuff to put in my... Should we switch, like, things?
Oh, I thought we were just gonna keep going.
Okay, let's keep going.
We can switch.
We can keep going. What do you think?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to talk? She
So
want to
now-
talk so
I'm
bad.
gonna-
Can I talk? Oh, okay. Switch places? Why? Because it's my video? Oh. Okay, oil. Oh, but I can see.
Oh, Jesus.
Did she oil this yet?
No.
Wait, I don't want to report too much. Girl, this your utensils. You know how to work it. We're going to be eating
I know what I'm
oil.
doing. I know. Now give me a paper towel.
Wait,
Spread it
use
out.
your hands?
A paper towel.
Oh, a paper towel.
Just spread it out.
Oh, Lord. These going to be some greasy ass cakes.
At least it ain't
Put
gonna
so
stick.
much.
At least it ain't gonna stick.
Oh, I didn't know it was pink. That's crazy.
You bought it.
Girl, I couldn't see. This is not enough for a cake. Who said this was enough for a cake? Girl. Oh my God, it's strawberry. I didn't want that.
You bought it.
I wanted funfetti, but not
Why are
strawberry.
you screaming?
Ugh.
You bought it. With your
Reading
eyes
is
open.
fundamental. Blackiana in a purse. Bitches can't stay with you. White toast for the host.
Oh my God.
Okay, y'all. So while we're waiting for everything to bake, we're gonna take a little intermission and we're gonna do a little girl chat. Dating deal breakers.
Oh, that's a good one. I like that one.
Hygiene.
Hygiene.
That is important. That's like top of the pyramid.
Yes,
like,
you need to take a shower.
Yeah.
I feel like your appearance too. Just like you get a haircut. Like, do you care about your appearance at all?
But maybe you catch him on an off day where he's like his haircut appointment.
But that's
tomorrow.
fine. I plan on at least talking to you about a week or two too, for me to find out if you keep yourself up.
That's true. Yeah, I would say hygiene is definitely most important though,
Yeah.
because it's like, are you even gonna give a guy your number if he smell musty or
I mean, we in the gym, you get a little excuse.
Well, ain't no guy getting my number.
or
so.
a girl your number if she smell like underarms?
If we at the gym, then maybe because maybe
No.
you just like stink at the gym, and
Give them
that's
the benefit of the doubt.
if you just finish your work. Like if you're walking in and you stink, no. Having a hard time meeting guys. Any advice? Dating apps suck.
Yeah, I wouldn't do dating apps.
I mean, I feel like just go to like normal places. I feel like everybody goes to the grocery store. Everybody goes to what, like, I don't know, just anywhere.
Yeah,
I literally met
And look your best too.
the
Like,
gym.
start looking. Oh, there I go. Start looking. You know what I mean? Like, cause I be leaving the house looking any old kind of way. You know what I mean? So
When you're in a relationship, I feel like it's easy. Like I don't care what I look like. I don't want you talking to me
Right.
anyways. So
well,
I be like, look.
but I met Ash through somebody else. Like, you know, just being like
Yeah.
out and about.
Mutual friends.
They're ready. What time is it? 2:41.
Yeah, but I would
Some
say
grocery
definitely
store.
don't go like to the club or like go to places like that has the type of man you're looking for. I mean, if
right,
you,
like
yeah,
your interest.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're not looking for someone who will be outside,
then don't go to
Don't
the
go
club.
outside.
Yeah, exactly.
don't go outside.
Or
But-
even like go to like your favorite restaurant, like just sit at the bar or whatever. Or
But also, you could meet someone who was just outside because they got like that was what
That's
happened with
very
me and
true.
Ash because she don't be outside, but we met outside.
Mm.
So it could happen, but
Yeah, that's
you know, it's just keep your mind open.
I was going to
Also,
say that. I feel like the biggest thing is just
keep your mind open.
Mm-hmm.
Just because the person is not like doesn't have all the money in the world and is not
Mm-hmm.
willing to drop 12 bags on you or buy you. Opinion
read.
on realizing a new friend doesn't support you but copies everything you do.
Oh Lord.
Oh wow, that's
Wait, opinion
Tea.
on it?
yeah.
Wait, what was that again?
Opinion
Ain't no
on
opinion.
realizing
Leave
a
them
new
in the dust. They
friend
don't deserve
doesn't
to be
support.
around you. They don't deserve to have your presence.
But copy
access
and
to
also
you.
keep your ideas to yourself. Keep that close to the
Yeah.
chest. Not me asking for guy advice on the clock. Thanks, y'all.
Oh, you better get back to work.
Best gift y'all have ever received or given. Best gift I've ever given was myself.
Right,
It's like,
this
You
vagina.
know what?
This vagina. Horses
Not
do
you,
have
though.
an eye
Not you,
for
though.
beauty, though. Period. She know what she's talking about.
yes.
I
Taurus,
like you.
Right?
Taurus love luxury,
Baby.
all the things, all the nice things in the world. Y'all like Cancers. I love a Cancer personally. Not to date, but like to be cool with and be friends with.
Definitely
And
not
I
to
think
Yeah.
I'm too, like, I like Cancers, but I think I'm too, like, blunt for Cancers. Like, Cancers are to me, sensitive.
Yeah.
I feel like
And
all water signs are very sensitive.
Yeah, and I'm
though.
just like, I feel like sometimes that could go left.
I feel like I take criticism
You're very blunt.
well when it's delivered to me in a way that I can understand.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you serve someone criticism the way that you understand it, they're not going to receive it well. But if you serve someone criticism the way that they can understand it, I feel like they'll receive it so much better. So
Yeah.
dealing with people, this is like this is a sociology thing, dealing with people, and a psychology thing. But like when you deal with people, if you treat them how you want to be treated all the time, it's not going to go well.
Which one of you is the funniest?
Me does.
No, I feel like I'm the funniest.
I'll let you have it.
I feel like-
Let you have it.
I feel like I'm the funniest. So
We
it's
all
fine.
think we funnier than each other.
No, I
pretty
feel
much.
like
Y'all need to
Caleb,
watch this video we're filming. I'm sorry.
It's hilarious.
But I was crying.
Kayla is the slick mouth funny. Shaylin is the say anything kind of funny.
I know.
And I just be dumb. So
You're right, though. It is different types of funny.
Yeah,
I do
for
feel
sure.
like, yeah.
I feel like
Someone
we're
said-
all hilarious.
how did y'all meet each other? I met Shaylin through Kayla, and I met Kayla.
I met Kayla through Instagram.
Well, funny
You
story
did
about
not meet me through Instagram.
Girl, yes, I did. I was
But
buying
how
something
did-
from you.
But how did we meet originally?
From me buying something from you.
No.
What do you mean? A content
Mo
bag?
introduced us.
Oh, okay, yeah. But she introduced us because I wanted to buy something from her.
But still, dang. We met on
I wanted
Instagram. Like,
Right.
this my boyfriend.
She had something I wanted to buy, and then yeah, we connected. Like it was like I connected to her, and then she connected me to E. Y'all look at our cupcakes; they're done. We make a good team
That
because
is so cute.
yeah.
and the cake, the
I'm
stepchild.
curious. To see. This one almost didn't make it. Okay,
But
but
she
yeah,
made
they're
it,
so
though.
cute. All right, y'all. So we're gonna answer your questions while we decorate our cupcakes.
So if you weren't a content creator and you were doing something else, that was one of the questions. What would it be?
Honestly, my dream job, I was telling Eric this the other day, if I could have any job in the world, it would literally to have my own show on a Food Network where I just travel around the world
Ooh.
trying different foods.
Yeah, that sounds
Like
fun.
it sounds so easy, so fun. Like I like to eat, like I want to experience places. But like, yeah. But in the real world, I would say like obviously start
That's
like
the
my
real
own fashion
world.
brand.
That's the
But I'm
real
not
world.
really into like, you know what I mean?
I need a knife.
I would need to pivot my content and start doing like bangs.
Ugh. This is your first food.
No, for real.
Food review.
And
Yeah.
I can't cook, so it's like, girl, who are you to judge?
Shaylin, you can't cook?
No.
For real?
mm-mm.
You
I can
can't?
follow a recipe.
But that doesn't mean that you can't like say
If
you
something's
know,
good or
if
not.
something's good or not. Yeah, just
Yeah.
because you can't.
So people on those Food Network shows, you think like they're used to be chefs or they're just random ass people?
A lot of them, I feel like.
But you
Are
can be a
chefs,
food
right?
critic and not know how to cook.
For real? I always thought they
You
were
just
like
need to know how to
chefs.
eat.
Dang, you made yours nice.
All you need to do is know how to, yeah, like literally, so like know flavors. Like, but that's the
Yeah.
thing. That's why most times chefs are the one that do the food reviews or do those kinds of shows because they know like the complexities of flavors, and they know like what goes together and all that kind of stuff. It's like, you know, so people are like, oh yeah, it tastes good. They're like, okay, well, what is the flavor?
Right. No, facts. You're right. Okay, what about y'all?
Well, I said I would be a visual merchandiser because I just like, well, in fashion. So storefronts, like the front windows and stuff.
I can see you doing that for like luxury brands.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took the classes in college. I just didn't do that. But I did dress mannequins.
Oh, period.
But that was like the step below. So I feel like I would do that. And I just feel like it's fun. I like art. I like crafts. You can really get super creative.
You're pissing me off.
Why?
Because why your cupcakes look better than mine?
You can tell which
one she did and which ones I did.
I'm dead.
I can't.
Yours look like Donald Trump.
This one's my cupcake, and this one's Kayla's. It's so neat. I don't know if y'all can tell, but her cupcake is so neat compared to mine.
What would you be?
I went to school for public relations.
Ooh.
So I feel like I would do something. I really wanted to go into like fashion editorial writing, or something in the writing realm, editorial realm.
I could see you in politics.
Really?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Like, I would have guessed in college that you were like a poli-sci major.
Ew, I hate politics.
For real? I feel like you'd be good in politics. I really see you in politics, like making stuff shake, like being a lobbyist and like trying to get laws changed and like.
I could see that.
I could really see that.
I could, lobby some stuff. All right, lobby for some stuff. But I would have to be. But it's a risky game because like. You go into it with such a like pure heart, and I feel like people who go into it with such a pure heart, they always end up like doing some shady stuff at the end of it. So
Olivia Pope was a shady
Is it a Christmas tree?
girl. If you don't wait,
I'm playing. That's better than I could do.
let me see your tree. That tree look like an anchor.
It does kind of look like a Christmas tree. If you look at it sideways.
Don't do that.
Like,
don't do me.
Do candy cane. That's too advanced.
No. Draw elf.
Girl, bye.
a Santa hat.
Oh yeah.
That's too advanced.
Girl, all you gotta do is put a thing.
What are you making?
A Santa hat.
Oh. Okay, put a green ball on the top.
I can't.
Fill it in.
All the way?
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna look crazy.
No.
This looks like a Squid Games cupcake.
I'm screaming.
It's not cute. Please stop the cat.
That's the Grinch, y'all.
Taste test.
Okay.
Which one are you eating?
It's stuck to the bottom. Mine's
I
stuck
know.
to
I'm
the
like,
bottom.
It is.
the cake is kind of peeling off.
I think so. I don't know.
Oh.
I don't think so.
A little dry.
It's dry.
It is dry.
We should have left it in there for like
We left it in there too long.
15 minutes.
Okay, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys try this with your friends. And make sure to tag me in it because I would love to see y'all do this. But I love you babes so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Also, do you want your clips in?
Yes, so they stay. I need the hair to stay. I need the hair to stay forward, okay? Y'all make me look short.
Yeah, because you are.
Let me see my tippy toes. What should they leave a comment down below saying?
Merry Christmas.